Hello. In this video, we're going to be looking at the distributive property. I'm going to show you three different methods. In the first method, we are going to look at algebra tiles. What you can see represented here is what is inside the parentheses. We have 4x and 5 ones. So 4x's and 5 ones. Then we are going to triple it because of the 3 that is in front. When we triple this, we'll be able to see the answer. This is double, so we'll do it again. We have triple, and that gives us our answer visually. We can see that there are 12 x's, so that gives us 12x, and there are 15 ones, so plus 15. When we take 3 and multiply it by the quantity 4x plus 5, we get 12x plus 15. The next method is the array method. In the array method, the factor in front of the parentheses goes in front of the array. The terms inside the parentheses go above the array, one above each box. The next part is to multiply them like you would a multiplication chart. Multiply the 4x times the 3, that gives us 12x. Then multiply the 3 times the 5, and that gives us 15. Then put those together. What is inside the array is the answer, 12x plus 15, the same thing as the algebra tiles. The last method we're going to look at is using the arrows. We're going to take 3 times 4x, and that gives us 12x. 3 times 5 gives us 15. Now let's look back real quickly. This is using algebra tiles. We got 12x plus 15 here. Using the array method, we also have 12x plus 15. And using the arrows, we have 12x plus 15. Please go ahead and give this one a try. Pause the video and then check back to see how you did. Okay, I'm going to use the arrow method. 4 times 6x gives us 24x. 4 times 3 gives us 12. So 4 times the quantity 6x plus 3 is 24x plus 12. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.